Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to find save four-letter items on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, go ahead and open Amazon application on your device. Well, after that here you can press card icon at the bottom. And then to find save four-letter items, here you can scroll down. Okay, and then the item will be found here. And then here you can delete it, compare it, or remove it to the cart. Well, that's the tutorial on how to find save four-letter items on Amazon on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.